Okay, we have brother Apollo. Apollo, what do you think about there is a lot of protests going on in Pakistan and in the different countries as well. What is the core thing you think about? What is the main problem?
The main problem to me, I feel what affects all of us is corruption. We've got leaders in position that take the money that is meant to go to the people and actually do the work and cause effective change, and it never happens. Same as in Pakistan, India, South America, we see this everywhere around the world. So it seems like there's a certain power structure that's in place, and they put certain people in position to keep the status quo what it is. So people need to unite regardless of religion, color, put all that behind, come together, let's solve real issues that's affecting all.
What do you think? Because in Pakistan especially, what Imran Khan did is he put awareness to the people. He told them their rights. He told them about this is your money, your tax money. Do you think this kind of message have to go to across the third world country?
Definitely. I mean, people need to be educated. And one thing I've realized in third world countries, a lot of people are uneducated, they don't read. So when you have a certain few that's in position that really care, they have the heart for the people, you have to educate your people, expose information for your people to know. You understand? And so you have a great nation.
Very, very true. Very nice meeting you, brother, and very, very good talking. And he wanna say?
Yo, all the best for Pakistan, all my peoples over there.
Give a message to Imran Khan if you have it.
Definitely, man. Listen, stay true to your peoples, and only the Most High, God knows and sees everything. Peace and love.